Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an Azure subscription and the correct role. Once signed in, pick a namespace name and pricing tier. This determines features and cost. Create or choose a resource group in the target region so latency and compliance match your needs. Make sure quotas allow the namespace size you plan to use. Now open Create Resource Integration Service Bus and begin the guided form. The portal will prompt you for namespace and pricing, so complete those fields to progress. Once the namespace base exists, configure messaging specifics. Choose standard for common workloads or premium for isolated throughput and predictable latency. If you expect variable load, enable auto-inflate so throughput scales automatically. Define queues and topics next. Think about partitioning for scale and session support for ordered processing. Create shared access authorization policies with least privilege. Give send/receive/manage only as to finish, retrieve the connection string from the namespace shared access policy and use it in your client or service. Once done, validate end-to-end by sending and receiving messages using Service Bus Explorer or an SDK sample. This proves authentication and routing. Make sure your clients use the correct AMP or HTTPS endpoints and the right policy key. If connections fail, check network security groups, firewall rules, and that the SAS policy grants the needed rights. Those are the most common blockers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.